Hey everybody. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of, scraping all the information about tagged posts and the mentions that a particular Instagram profile has on Instagram. So you just need to provide the Instagram username as the input, and you do not need to log in with your Instagram account. And this is a complete cookieless process. And the way we have seen people use this actor both internally and our users, we've seen that people use it for a couple of use cases. A couple of them we have listed here. So I've seen people use this for brand mention monitoring. So if you're a brand on Instagram and you want to keep track of everybody who's posting about something and is tagging you, so you can run this programmatically every single day and find all the new posts where your brand was mentioned, and you can get all the engagement data of those posts. For UGC discovery also, people are using it. So let's say you're running some campaigns where your people are creating UGC content for you, and you want to verify that they tagged you correctly or pull up engagement metrics, so you can do that again. Similarly, for competitor monitoring, people are using it because you could pass your competitors as input for this actor and get all the information about who they're working with, what people are talking about them, and what kind of UGC campaigns they are doing. So the use cases are there are dozen use cases that you can use it for, and the way to use this actor is you've got to come to this particular URL, which is the URL for my actor, and you're going to click on try for free, and you will land on this particular setup page where you need to provide the username of the Instagram account for which you want to find the tagged posts. So for this example, we're gonna start with Gymshark, and I'm gonna paste the Gymshark username as the input here, and for max results, let's just proceed with 5 for this example. And when you click on save and start, the actor will start working, and it does not require you to log in or anything. And you'll see the logs here that the actor is working. It has already found 5 rows. So if we go to Gymshark and if I refresh here, I am on the tagged section of their page, and you should see the exact same posts coming here. So if I go to the extreme right, we get the URL, which is the exact same URL's video here. So this shows that this is currently picking up the exact live data, and you can find a dozen information fields about these posts. You can find the caption details of these posts, then you can find the user details as to who was the user who put out this post and tagged Gymshark. You can find the exact video required URL to download. So since these 3 posts would have been image posts, which we can verify from here, there are 2 and 3 image posts here and 2 are video. That is why we don't have the video URLs here, but you will have the image URL there to download the image, and you have the thumbnail details. So by just inputting the username of a brand, you can find all the information about these tagged post for that brand, and you can use it for your research. You can download this in whichever format that suits you, and you can also run this through an API via your Python code, or if you use no-code tools like Zapier, Make.com, N8N, or Cloud Code, Cowork, Codex, Cursor, and you can use this programmatically. So that's the demo. Thank you.